This is TWiT.
What problem am I solving when I'm reaching for Kazoo?
That's a great question. So Kazoo's kind of like a Swiss Army knife for communications platforms. The main draw has generally been folks who are offering, selling, or bundling communication services to customers that are businesses primarily. There are some other types of customers that are out there who do, residential or mobile, but the main folks seem to be people who are replacing business phone systems or conference bridge systems or video chat systems or messaging systems, and they want to tie them together with something that's familiar to end users and scales. So the big key of the project is to make sure that we can support, millions of phones on a single platform, not just a few thousand or a few 100,000.
And how did this project get started?
That's a good one. So we started the project. I joined the FreeSwitch community about 12 years ago. When I heard about FreeSwitch, I had always been actually an asterisk enthusiast. And at some point, one of the main contributors of Asterix decided he wanted to rewrite it to try and improve its scalability and its capabilities. And his name was Anthony Minicelli, and he started FreeSwitch, and I heard about it very early on. And I decided that one of the big things that would improve adoption of FreeSwitch was if it had a front-end user interface on it. And then as we were starting to kind of build that just for fun, we started noticing a trend where a lot of the questions people were asking were about how do I set up, hundreds of these servers, not just one server. And we decided that there seems to be some sort of opportunity for a big cluster of media servers or of SIP servers and WebRTC servers and so on and so forth. And we said, maybe there's an opportunity to try and build something that's even bigger than just a front-end user interface. Maybe there's an opportunity to build a super scalable distributed system. And we kind of looked at, if you look at Google's model, they took a lot of commodity hardware and figured out how to just keep chaining it together forever so that they could keep storing more and more data, but still search and have redundancy and boxes go up and down, but keep the actual platform very inexpensive, even though it's very powerful. Nobody had really done that for sort of a media platform, and that's kind of what we were looking to do, is how do we do a similar inexpensive, commoditized, distributed communications platform. And people were asking for it, in the chat channels or in the forums. So we decided to give this project a shot, and here we are 8 years later after we quit our jobs and decided to do this full time.